Today we are going to introduce how to operate our new machine, EMT8 MAX4. First, we turn on the power switch behind the machine. Okay, we turn on the power. And then wait. Okay, here please input password. Password is 60. Okay, here we can see this is the basic setting. We can choose the language we need and the exit. Okay, and input 60 to get into the main interface. Okay, we can see we have auto mode and manual mode. Auto mode, we click, we can choose the sex of the customer, and the second, we should choose the age range. It's up to the customer's condition, and then we choose the area we are going to operate. Here is abdomen and gluteus, arms, legs, and we can see here is EMT2 handle. This handle is for our pelvic floor muscle. Okay, and it can use for men and women. Next, we can see here is EMS. This means the microcurrent, and this is the new feature of this machine. There are two modes, M1 and M2. M1 means the microcurrent combines with our magnetic shock. And M2 means first it will begin with the magnetic shock, and then will start with the microcurrent feeling. Okay. If we choose M1, then we get into the main interface. Okay, here is the main interface shows. This is the intensity. A, it means these two handles channel, and B1 and B2, it refers to this channel, this two handle. Okay, we can adjust the intensity according to customers' response and reflection. We suggest to start from low intensity to high intensity. Okay, and here is the EMS. EMS, the range of EMS is from 0 to 15. Okay, because after we set, then we connect this to start. Okay, it's very simple. Next, we can click the menu, or we can get back to this to connect menu. When we get the menu interface, we can see we can adjust the frequency of each F1, F2, F3, but the auto mode don't have the option of the frequency. This is the difference. Okay, it is the same way. First, we set the correct intensity. For example, we set from 40% to start, and then we set the F1 frequency. F1 frequency is 30 Hertz. F2 is 55 Hertz, and it will work come and back. Click this button and this to start. Please pay attention to that. When we get to the menu interface, it doesn't have the EMS or the microcurrent function. And here F1, we can not only set the frequency, but also we can set the time. If we want to the F1 work for 2 minutes, then we just need to click it again and set to 2 minutes. Okay. Now we show how to operate the auto mode. First we click and we choose the sex, choose the age, and choose the area, and we choose the EMS. We choose M1. Click into, and please pay attention to, if we want to let the EMS feeling more obvious, then we suggest that we can spray some water on the skin, because the microcurrent needs water to work. Okay, and then we fix the time. We make just only one handle or two handle on customers' element. Okay. Just make sure it won't fall out. Okay, and then we need to set the intensity. This handle is from this B1 and B2 channel, so we just need to set the intensity B. We start from low. We suggest to start from 30% or 20%. And the EMS intensity, we suggest that we start from 4 or 5. Okay, then we just click this button to start. Now it's working. Okay, and it is the same way to set the manual mode. If we connect the manual mode, first also we make the handle on the customer's abdomen, and then if we choose the manual, first we also need to set the intensity. Intensity B, yeah. And then we can choose the frequency. F1. If F1 we choose 30 Hertz, and F2 we suggest we can set a higher frequency, and F3 we can choose more higher, so that the customer will have different frequency to better exercise their muscle. Okay, then we connect this. Now it's working from F1. And then it will, after 2 minutes, it will turn to F2 automatically. Okay, now we show how to operate on customers' legs or arms. Please pay attention to when we operate on the customer's legs, we choose this handle. Yeah, and we use this type. And then we let the customer's leg just put on the handle, and the other hand just cross it, and this just fix.